Welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're going to talk about pickup notes and we're going to talk about the tie. Alright, first things first, go to page 12 in your Mel Bay book. Alright, look at the bottom of the book and you'll see on the bottom on the left hand side, you'll see a song called Red River Valley. Look at that very first measure and you'll see there's 2 quarter notes in it. So now you see the C, which is common time. All right, there's 4 beats to a measure. So we're saying, whoa, there's 2 beats in this very first measure and it's in 4/4 time. What happens is the way the note falls, okay, they use what they call an incomplete measure or a pickup measure. When you see in 4/4 time, you have, look at the board, 2 notes, 4/4 time, you're going to start on the 3. In other words, as looking at this sort of as a full measure, you'll say, okay, 1, 2. 1, 2 is not there. All that's there is 2 quarter notes and it's going to be 3, 4. Now, if you look in the last measure of Red River Valley, you'll see the half note, which is 2 beats. So at the beginning here, you're going to see the 2 quarter beats, 3 and 4, and the last measure, you're going to see that half note, which is 1 and 2. Little confusing. So let's play it. Metronome at 50. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. Okay, that's just the first couple of measures. Point being, did you hear how I counted 4? Then I counted 2 and I came in on 3, 4. Then I start the song. Okay? This, by the way, is not, these 2 notes are not Red River Valley, okay, in the music. So don't let that confuse you. You go buy your book. Now, next thing, let's talk about the tie. What is a tie? A tie is when they take the value with the note. You're going to see a line, as you see here, going over to another note. In this particular case, we see a dotted half note, which is 3 beats, is tied to a half note, which is 2 beats. What that's doing is we're letting the combination, and think of arithmetic, 3 and 2, 5. That note, we want it to ring for 5 beats. Okay, the way the music is set up here, I have a quarter note here, that would be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's how we're going to count it. So, let me just write that in here a second. Okay, we have 1, here we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Altogether, that's 5 beats. Metronome. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You see what I did? Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So that's what's happening. We want that note to ring. Okay? Very quick piece of information. You notice that the note decays. That while you're holding the note, it might not ring at the natural decay time of the guitar. You almost won't hear it here. You still stay in time. All right? So if you do 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and you stay in time even though you didn't hear the note. You have to allow the full value. Otherwise, when you play the rest of the piece, it'll be all out of kilter. All right? Questions on this? Please, comments below. If you like what you hear, give it a thumbs up. Okay? Talk to you at the next lesson. Be cool, keep playing, keep thinking, and keep talking guitar. Thank you.